National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Pima County in southeastern Arizona until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:42 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Guambo, or 30 miles southeast of Tahoe, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Guambo, Oregon Pine Cactus National Monument, and Pewicatch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: western Pima, Arizona,